London Rocket is an aggressive winter annual weed known to grow and spread rapidly. While known for its edibility, this plant should still be treated as a weed when it grows in areas where it shouldn't be. London Rocket can easily overtake turf and desirable plants, choking them out to leave bare patches. In this video, we'll go over how to identify London Rocket, how to control it on your property, and how to prevent it from growing back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Alternate names for London Rocket include Rocket Mustard, Tumble Mustard, and Desert Mustard. London Rocket is a broadleaf weed. After emerging, this plant grows as a low rosette, then can grow up to 5 feet tall at maturity. Stems may sometimes have a purple tinge or fine hairs. The lower leaves of this plant grow up to 6 inches long with opposite deep lobes and a prominent midvein. The upper leaves are smaller and are usually smooth-edged. When in bloom, London Rocket grows clusters of yellow flowers, each about 5 to 7 millimeters wide, with 4 petals. When fruiting, this plant grows seed pods that grow up to 1.5 inches long. The seed pods grow upwards and along the flowering stem. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. London Rocket grows best in areas with well-drained or dry soil that see full to partial sunlight. It tolerates a broad pH range, thriving in mildly acidic, neutral, or mildly alkaline soils. Common sites include lawns, ornamental landscaping, construction sites, and agricultural fields. As a winter annual weed, London Rocket germinates in fall and winter when soil temperatures are about 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Flowering occurs from January to May. Ideally, you'll look for young plants before they produce flowers to control them before they can produce seeds. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of London Rockets already established on your property, apply post-emergent herbicides to remove them before they can reproduce. To eliminate weeds on commercial or residential properties, use a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled not to injure your property's turf grass. We recommend you check out Expel Turf Herbicide. Expel is a sulfentrazone-based product used to control a variety of weed species on cool season and warm season turf. To treat London Rocket growing in cool season lawns, mix the labeled rate of 4 to 8 fluid ounces of product into 10 gallons of water to apply over 1 acre. To treat London Rocket growing in warm season lawns, mix the labeled rate of 8 to 12 fluid ounces of product into 10 gallons of water to apply over 1 acre. Due to this product's high volume applications, high capacity equipment like a spray rig may be necessary. Once your product is thoroughly mixed, broadcast your solution evenly over the area. To control weeds growing in areas where vegetation shouldn't be, like in pavement or cement cracks, use a non-selective herbicide to kill any weeds that may be present. Check out Eraser 41% Glyphosate. This non-selective herbicide will eliminate any plant it is applied to. Just mix 2.5 fluid ounces of Eraser into 1 gallon of water to treat up to 300 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your solution in a handheld pump sprayer. Be sure to mark this sprayer for non-selective herbicide use only to prevent cross-contamination in the future. With this solution, spot treat any weed you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. After applying Eraser, you should see results within 2 to 4 days, but a second application may be made after 4 weeks. A reapplication with Expel may be made after 35 days. Applications are most effective when plants are newly emerged before flower formation. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To stop new weeds from growing from seed, check out Dimension 2EW Herbicide. This product has both post-emergent and pre-emergent applications, but we'll focus on its pre-emergent uses for now. Pre-emergent herbicides create chemical barriers that stop weeds from sprouting or emerging. To prevent new plants from growing from seed, mix 0.73 fluid ounces of the product into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Broadcast the product over your treatment area, then after 6 hours, water the area with about ½ inch of irrigation. After applying pre-emergent, continue with integrated vegetation management to maintain your property's health. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can get rid of London rockets on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.